Hey, I'm Kate. In this video, we'll explore how to brew the perfect espresso, from choosing the right beans to nailing the best extraction. So let's get started. The first step is to understand that there's no one-size-fits-all recipe, but you can create the best espresso tailored to your taste with the insights you'll find in this video. Step 2. Focus on the key components of espresso: dose, yield, and time. Start with 20 grams in, 40 grams out, in 25 to 30 seconds. Step 3. Adjust your brew ratio to control your espresso's strength. Go for 1 to 1.5 for a strong shot, or 1 to 2 for a lighter taste. Note that tapping is crucial for an even extraction. Apply firm, consistent pressure to compress the coffee grounds evenly. Step 5. Experiment with time and grind size to fine-tune flavor. Finer grinds slow extraction, while coarser ones speed it up. Adjust to your taste. Step 6. Taste your shot. If it's sour, it might be under-extracted. If it's bitter, it could be over-extracted. Balance is key. Keep experimenting, and with every brew, you'll get closer to perfection. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Kate, and I'll see you next time.